Whoa, look out, guys! Incoming fire! Get back!
That's right, my old orchestra! Crush them! Flatten them! Lay rubber on their pointy turbo heads!
They're too heavy!
There's too many of them!
If you enjoyed that so much, here's a little feature from our horn section.
I can't take that! Don't worry, Adam. You won't have to. Turbo ram, rev it up!
Yeah, now we've got him.
Curses, new instruments!
All right, Griller, song's over. Yeah!
That's what you think! Yeah!
Ready? Let's do it!
Good job, guys. Now, let's finish him off.
My symphony is ruined!
Turbo ram cannon mode! Brace yourself, everyone. We're fully charged. Prepare to fire.
You cannot destroy me!
Turbo cannon, fire!
We heard there was a party going on around here!
Tommy, are you alright? Crew's got reinforcements!
Glad you could make it. I have things well in hand.
Hey, we heard your symphony flop.
Yeah, new tune, let's rock and roll!
Now what are you up to?
Now you meddlers will pay for destroying my symphonic masterpiece. Oh, your attention, please. Who are you?
Blue Centurion? Perfect timing, pal.
Playing loud music without a permit is a violation of code 41028.
I don't need no stinking permits.
And we don't like the way you conduct yourself.
This perpetrator is hostile. He must be forcibly restrained.
All right, then. Let's restrain him.
Synergizer blaster mode.
Turbo Auto Blaster, fire!
Oh, not again! Divatox is gonna have my dome!
Oh, my aching egghead! I'm out of here!
Good work, Blue Centurion. Thanks.
Yes, our mission has been accomplished.
Well, until next time.